Namaste, Didi.
Namaste, namaste. So, what would you like to learn? Nritta or Abhinaya?
Abhinaya.
Abhinaya. Which Abhinaya items you have learnt in your bachelor's?
Shabdam, Padam, Kirtanam.
So means you have some idea about what is an Abhinaya item, right? So I am not supposed to be telling you the basic things about Abhinaya. Today I will be teaching you Padam, which is in Saveri Rag and Adi Tal. Okay. Now first I want you to know about the story behind this Padam. It is not exactly a conversation, it is one-sided. There are two characters, one is the mother and one is her daughter who is already married. So a big daughter, not a small one, she is already married, and she has come back from her in-laws house, from her husband's house to her mother's house. So the mother is asking, how many times I have told you, but you don't understand. She actually, the daughter had a quarrel with her husband, and she comes back to her mother's house. She is not liking that she had quarreled with her husband, and she is mad with him, and so she comes back to her mother's house, and the mother, she is telling the daughter that how many times I have told you, you behave very immaturely. So when you are married, when he is your husband, he can love you, he can scold you sometimes if necessary. That does not mean that you have to come back to your mother's place, you know. You have to have that patience in you. So in a married life, it happens between a husband and a wife. It is very natural. Okay. So means ये होता रहता है, husband wife के बीच में ये सब होता रहता है, तो ये natural है. तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि आप रूठ के यहाँ माँ के वहाँ चले आओ. So that is how she's, the mother is telling the daughter. So the conversation is that way.
नायिका मतलब which नायिका? इसमें नायिका आएगी या?
Naika is the mother. It is not the daughter. The mother is the Naika, because she is telling that you have come back, and she is doing the conversation. And whatever that the daughter is doing, she is enacting her daughter. But it is only the one person who is the mother is doing everything, and she is talking to the daughter. It is only one-sided conversation, is only one-sided. So we cannot say that it is mother and child conversation. Okay. तो इसमें ये है कि भाई वो बताती है कि आप रूठ के चले आए हो, हमने कितनी बार, एक बार बोला, दो बार बोला, कितनी बार बोलने का, आपको समझ में नहीं आता है आपको ये बात. एंड देन she tells that he, the son who is the son of Lord Shiva, Kartikeya. Basically she is talking about Kartikeya, who is the son-in-law, okay, and her daughter is married to him. So she is telling that Kartikeya, who is the son of Lord Shiva, he can be sometimes soft, sometimes harsh to you, but you don't have to get angry on him, and not to turn away your face from him, not to talk to him. All such things you are not supposed to do. You should not come back to me, to the mother. Okay. So and then she compares her. She says that आप है ना बिल्कुल जैसे क्या बोलते हैं उसको, short tempered. The mother is telling the daughter that you are very short tempered. तो कुछ भी होता है एकदम से गुस्सा हो जाते हो. तो वो एक एग्जाम्पल देती हैं मदर कि पूरी रात रामायण सुनने के बाद एक आदमी सुबह में उठ के ये पूछता है कि राम और सीता का रिलेशन क्या है. सो दैट इज़ वेरी स्टूपिड, राइट, कि पूरा रात उसने रामायण सुनी तो उसको ये भी नहीं पता है कि राम और सीता का रिलेशन. ही इज़ गोइंग ऑन आस्किंग एवरीवन, डू यू नो व्हाट इज़ द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन राम एंड सीता. तो वो इतना स्टूपिड है. तो मदर ये बोलती है कि तुम भी उतनी ही स्टूपिड हो, उसके जितनी स्टूपिड हो, कि भाई कुछ भी बोल दिया करके, कुछ भी सुन लिया करके, गुस्सा होके तुरंत यहाँ पे चल दिए. ये नहीं कि भी थोड़ा पेशेंस रखो, यू नो, यू शुड बी काम, थोड़ा सॉफ्टली सुनो, थोड़ा पेशेंस रख के फिर उसका कुछ सोल्यूशन निकालो. ये कुछ नहीं, बस आ गए गुस्सा करके. सो बेसिकली इन द होल पदम इट इज़ दिस, द मदर इज़ ट्राइंग टू एक्सप्लेन टू हर डॉटर दैट यू शुड go back to your husband's house. And at one point she even says that कि तुमने इतना कलंक फैमिली के ऊपर डाल दिया कि वापस आ गए तो हमारी फैमिली के लिए अच्छा नहीं हुआ, मेरे लिए ये अच्छा नहीं हुआ कि यू केम बैक from your husband, which is not good actually. So that is what the mother is telling the child. At one point the mother tells the daughter that for you quarrel is something like the things that we use daily, जैसे कि milk, fruits we eat daily, right? So all those daily things that we use, for you quarrel is one of them. So तुम्हारे लिए इतना कुछ फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता है कि भाई हाँ गुस्सा करके आ गए, लेकिन हमारे लिए बहुत फ़र्क पड़ता है कि तुम गुस्सा करके यहाँ पे आ गई वापस माँ के घर, तो ये फैमिली के लिए एक अच्छी बात नहीं हुई. दिस द होल थिंग एक्चुअली इट इज़ अ ट्रेडिशनल पदम. सो दे आर टॉकिंग ऑफ ईयर्स बैक कि उस टाइम पे ये माहौल था कि भाई एक लड़की जब उसकी शादी होती है तो शी इज़ नॉट सपोज टू स्पीक एनीथिंग, से एनीथिंग इन फ्रंट ऑफ हर इन लॉज और हस्बैंड, और नॉट टू रिएक्ट इन दिस वे, जो भी बोलते हैं मान लेना है ये वो करके. अब की बात थोड़ी डिफरेंट है, अभी के ज़माने में इट इज़ डिफरेंट, यू नो. सो आई विल आस्क यू अ क्वेश्चन लाइक व्हाट इफ व्हेन यू आर आई बी टीचिंग यू दिस पदम, व्हेन आई हैव टोल्ड यू द स्टोरी, हाउ आर यू गोइंग टू रिएक्ट टू इट? व्हाट डू यू फील about this?
For learning process it is okay, but in nowadays like the thing is totally changed because the girl is
Means
not that much
no, the only thing is कि now see things remains the same in the sense of husband wife में जो झगड़ा होता है वो सब तो होता रहेगा, लेकिन अभी या
वापस नहीं आएगी,
नहीं वापस भी नहीं आएगी. और दूसरी बात ये है ना कि she will ask question कि भाई why, what मेरा फॉल्ट कहाँ है, कहाँ गलत हूँ मैं, तो ये पूछने का अभी दिस इज़ द टाइम वेयर यू कैन आस्क क्वेश्चन. ये नहीं है कि भाई नहीं पूछना है, नहीं बोलना है करके बस आ जाओ. एंड इवन द आई थिंक इन टूडेज कॉन्टेक्स्ट इफ वी सी द मदर ऑल्सो विल बी अ चेंज्ड मदर. शी इज़ नॉट गोइंग टू से ओ तुम आ गई तुम वापस चले जाओ, कुछ भी हो गुस्सा करे फिर भी तुमको जाना है करके. नो, आई थिंक शी विल ट्राई एंड अंडरस्टैंड द डॉटर, शी विल लिसन टू हर, और मे बी शी विल कॉल हर सन इन लॉ एंड इवन टॉक टू हिम एंड try to take out a solution out of it, but not just कि भाई क्यों आ गई हो, ये है. This is where I wanted to make you clear with the story behind this padam. So basically it is a traditional padam.
नायिका कौन सी?
Because this is not related to Shringara. This Naika will not come into the Ashtanayika. Okay, she is a mother, so she is by nature Uttama, and by age maybe she is Praudha, Pragalbha, she can come under that, but not the Ashtanayika, not the Ashtanayika. So and
इसमें सिर्फ only mother का जो है
वही रोल मेन है ना, वही मेन है.
daughter,
Yeah, daughter is character, one of the characters, and she is portraying that. Of course whenever she has to say कि तुम इस तरह से करके आई, तो mother will do that कि तुमने ऐसा गुस्सा किया, तुम इस तरह से आई करके, but it is the mother who is showing everything, so she is the main character. Okay, so we have in the structure, you know, Pallavi, Anupallavi, Charanam, and Pallavi it says how many times I have told you but you don't listen to me. He is your husband. Why do you get angry or turn away your face? All these things, one in each line you have this difference, otherwise the meaning remains the same. How many times? Only thing is when you will start learning this, you will realize that with each line variation there is the intensity which builds up. Okay, so first time the mother is okay like normal, how many times I told you, why have you done this, why don't you listen to me, very simple way. The second time she'll be says 1, 2, 3, 4, how many times I have told you, you will not listen. So she's little angry on her daughter. And the third time she's really mad, how many times I have told you, but you won't listen to me. It is not going in your head at all. So how many times am I supposed to tell you? So that intensity, you have to build up that intensity, and because the meaning will remain the same. So how will it get different? So with each variation you have to show that in your abhinaya with that growing up of that intensity. Is it okay? Fine. I will sing once the line. Yatanai சொன்னாலும் தெரியாத அவருடன் ஏன் பிணங்கி கொண்டாய் மகளே. Before start teaching you, before I start teaching you, I just want to say, you know, you have any idea who is Kartikeya's wife? No, she is Valli. Valli. Okay. And Valli is supposed to be born from the deer, so she is a forest girl. So that is how you should, means if you don't know the details, you should go and read and then come back. And just before you go for any item, I think it is very natural, we all do that. We should try and know the maximum that we can about the characters, about their storyline, about other relations with that characters and all. So it becomes helpful to bring out the Abhinaya as much as we know, the details that we can get. So here, because the son-in-law is Kartikeya, so that is how she is Valli. Okay, and she is Valli's mother. Okay, fine. Now I will sing the line once, and I'll show you the gesture and you just start. Okay. எத்தனை சொன்னாலும் தெரியாத அவருடன் ஏன் பிணங்கி கொண்டாய் மகளே. எத்தனை சொன்னாலும் தெரியாத அவருடன் ஏன் பிணங்கி கொண்டாய் மகளே. डॉटर को बोल रही है. This is how many times I have told you, you don't listen. Not here, not from here, it is from here. You don't listen. It is at the chest level. Okay, you don't listen. He who is your husband, why getting angry? Oh daughter, I am telling you. Is it okay? Oh daughter, I am telling you. So she is finally telling the daughter that I am telling you. Okay, 1, 2, 3. எத்தனை சொன்னாலும் தெரியாத அவருடன் ஏன் பிணங்கி கொண்டாய் மகளே. Is it okay? So I will just sing once. You do the Abhinaya standing only, then we go for the feet movements. Okay, 1, 2, 3. எத்தனை சொன்னாலும், I think this is only once, only one with one hand. The first variation is with one hand. 1, 2, 3. எத்தனை சொன்னாலும் தெரியாத அவருடன், him, the elbow, அவருடன் ஏன் பிணங்கி கொண்டாய் மகளே. Are you clear? So now take the steps. எத்தனை சொன்னாலும் தெரியாத ஸ்வஸ்திக், ஸ்வஸ்திக் rudan yen pinan. No, after the swastika you come back to the sthana. Avarudan yen pinan di kondai. Swastika. यतनै शोन्नालुं तेरी याद आवरुडन येन पिनंगे येन पिनंगे no it is येन pinangi then kundai gi kundai magale. Is it okay? Fine. Yatanai shonnalum teri yaad avarudan yen pinange kundai magale. Is it clear? This much. So this is the first variation. The second variation, meaning will remain the same. Where will the intensity grow? Can you?
कितनी बार बोलूं आपको?
हाँ, कितनी बार बोलने का? I have told you. This is, she says, one time only. She says, how many times I have told you? Yattanai shonnalum. So when you do this, first time when you did, it was only once. Yattanai shonnalum, simple plain thing. Second time when you do is one time, twice, thrice, 4 times, 5 times. How many times I am supposed to tell you? You are nodding your head here, which is helping you to show that intensity. You understand? So because see, the meaning is going to remain the same. So then otherwise what is the use of doing one same line again and again again? But here it changes. Nalum teri yaad. Oh my God, you will never listen to me. You are not going to listen to me. Teri yaad. Here you can close your eyes. Teri yaad avarudan. Same. I am talking about him, your husband. Avarudan. But now see, here one thing you have to mark, that because the mother is speaking to the daughter, but she is speaking of whom? The son-in-law. So he is a respectable person because he is a son-in-law. तो वो जब बताती है तो भी वो रिस्पेक्ट के avarudan. It's not it makes a difference. हाँ, avarudan yen. Now here also it changes. See the things I'm trying to explain to you, what all changes with that same line but the variations. Okay, the first time you did here, then it is here, and the third time it is going to be here, where she is literally very angry with the daughter. You know that how many times I have to tell you. So this is the difference that you have to show from the first line to the second to the third. Okay, we go for the second line. Yattanai shonnalum teri yaad avarudan yen pinangi kondai magale. Is it okay? यहाँ पे वो दिखा रही है, पहले गुस्सा दिखाया, यहाँ पे यू आर टर्निंग अवे योर फेस, गुस्से में ही, बट यू आर जस्ट टर्निंग, आई डोंट वांट टू लिसन टू यू, just turning away your face. So you don't do this to him. Okay, that is what she wants to tell the daughter. Fine. 1, 2, 3. Yattanai. No, here it is not very simple. 1, 2, 3. यत्तनई वो भार चढ़ाती है. मैंने एक बार बोला, 2 बार बोला, 3 बार कहा आपसे, लेकिन आप सुनोगे नहीं हमारी बात. So it's not very 1, 2, 3, 4. No. Here also when you are doing it is yattanai shonnalum. It's like, you see the difference? Yes. எத்தனை சொன்னாலும் தெரியாத அவருடன் ஏன் பின்னங்கே கொண்டாய் மகளே. Is it okay? Fine, good. So you are able to now get into this, that the relation, the daughter, mother. தெரியாத, the first one, yeah. ஏன் பின்னங்கே கொண்டாய் மகளே. So it is the first one. The second, there are not much changes, very few here and there. ஏன் பின்னங்கே கொண்டாய் மகளே. Yeah, that you have to do it sitting. It is swastika. எத்தனை சொன்னாலும் தெரியாத அவருடன் ஏன் பின்னங்கே கொண்டாய் மகளே. எத்தனை, it's fine, then no problem. Now you know மகளே. எத்தனை சொன்னாலும் தெரியாத அவருடன் ஏன் பின்னங்கே கொண்டாய் மகளே. எத்தனை. Now the third hand. You remember the first and the second, or should I sing for you once and once? You do it once, the first one, the second one, then okay, then we go to the third. Fine. எத்தனை சொன்னாலும் தெரியாத அவருடன். Now see, here you don't know, but in the third line the difference will be here. First is avarud. First will be, you will have to take it from here. Avarudan. Second is avarudan. Third is avarudan. So, because third also, yes. So that is where you will have to make the difference. Varudan, and the third one will be again Suchi Hasta, but then it is not going to be from here. Okay, fine. எத்தனை சொன்னாலும் தெரியாத அவருடன் ஏன் பின்னங்கே கொண்டாய் மகளே. எத்தனை சொன்னாலும் தெரியாத அவருடன் ஏன் பின்னங்கே கொண்டாய் மகளே. So this is fine. Good.